Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces, that is magnification. So already we derived the Lensmaker's formula. So by using of those diagram, now we are going to find out the magnification. Now let us discuss the size of the image formed by a lens. So now observe here, we are using the convex lens here. Yes, we are using convex lens. Now on the principal axis, we have the object on the one side of the lens and the image is formed on the other side of the lens. So here O dash are the objects and I dash are the image, and P is the pole, optic center. Here F1 and F2 are the focal points. Yes. Now we know when the light ray travels from this object, it is parallel to the principal axis. So after refraction, it passes through the focus. And if we draw the another ray diagram, that is passes through the optic center, we know when the light ray passes through the optic center, the ray will not deviate. So these two rays are meet at one point. At that point, the image will be formed here. Yes. So we gave the names as the I dash and I. Yes. Here, from the pole to the object, the distance is known as object distance. And from pole to the image, P to I, the distance is known as image distance. So here, O dash are the object height and I dash are the image height. So we can say take here O dash are the HO and I dash as the HI. So here object height and image height. We know from this diagram we can see that the triangle O dash and P and triangle I dash P are similar triangles. Yes. So when these are similar triangles, we can write I dash by O dash equals to Pi by PO. Yes. Now substitute the values as per sign convention in the above equation. We get here I dash is the height of the image. So we can write here HI by O dash is the height of the object. So we can write HO, which equals to PI. We know from the pole to the image, the distance is known as image distance. So we can take this as a V. And here the distance from P to O is known as object distance. So that is U. Now here, we know height of the object and height of the image are positive if measured upwards from the axis, and height of the object, height of the image are negative if measured downwards. So here from this diagram, we can see that the object height is positive because it measures upwards. And here the image height is negative because it measures downward. Yes. So from this we can write minus HI by HO equals to minus V by U. Yes. Now this minus gets cancelled. So finally we get here HI by HO equals to V by U. So this equals to magnification. So magnification equals to, we can show this as with M. Yes. So M equals to, we can write HI by HO equals to V by U. This is a formula for magnification. So here, is the focal length same for each set of values? Here, irrespective of object distance and image distance, we get same focal length. Yes, with the irrespective of object distance and image distance, we get same focal length. Yes, so what is the formula of magnification? M equals to HI by HO equals to V by U.